Alright, so this is Loki, our new livestock guardian dog. He's a pup. He's 11 weeks old, and he's Akbash and Great Pyrenees. And beautiful dog. He's getting over being car sick. He's feeling a lot better now, but he's really tired. 4-hour trip back home. So right now he's kind of sacked out. Aren't you, Loki? He's got one pink eye and one black eye, so it's really cool. So welcome, Loki. Welcome to Splitting That Ranch. Long drive, huh, buddy? It's really cool. He's got one black eye and one pink one. So he's got mascara on one eye. Huh, buddy? Yes, you do.